have that seatbelt sign on, and for your continued safety and the safety of others around you, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and refrain from moving about the cabin at this time. If the seatbelt sign should be turned off at all during our flight, we strongly recommend that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. If you wish to sleep during the flight, we ask that you just keep your seatbelt visible, as we do not wish to disturb you. We'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted on any of our Westjet flights, and anyone caught smoking will be asked to leave immediately. There are 2 washrooms on board this aircraft, one in the forward and one in the rear. Each washroom is equipped with a sensitive smoke detector. Tampering with a smoke detector is a federal offense. In a moment, we'll be asking your complimentary satellite TV for your viewing pleasure. Flight attendants will be coming through the cabin shortly with headsets for purchase of $3. Or please feel free if you have brought your own single-prong headset. Controls for your satellite TV are located in your armrest for volume, channel, and brightness. Due to the short duration of our flight, pay-per-view movies will not be available. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight to Calgary.